If you are storing derived values in React state, then you are creating bugs in your app, and most developers don't even realize it. Today, I will show you how senior engineers think about derived state in UI logic. We have a simple card with items, nothing fancy, just base state. Now we evolve it step by step. This is junior level React. You are storing card items and also storing total price. But total price is calculated from card items. That means you now have two sources of truth. If one updates and the other doesn't, then there is a bug. No effect, no extra state, no syncing. React renders. Total recalculates automatically. That's derived state. Derived state is any value you can calculate from existing state or procs. If you can compute it, you should not store it. Now let's add filtering logic. We have two states, search and filtering item state, and we take one input and use effect. I want you to find what we are doing wrong. Then we are syncing state with state. This is unnecessary. Here is the correct way. Render runs, filter runs, UI updates. Now we add sorting. Notice what we store. Card items, search, sort order. Everything is derived. Think of it like a pipeline. Card to filter, filter to sort, sort to render. Derived values recalculates every render. For a small list, it's fine, but for a list like having 1,000 products, maybe it's expensive. So useMemo is a performance optimization, not a correctness tool. So we never use it unless computation is heavy. This separation is what makes React predictable. Minimal state, pure deviation, clear UI balancing. If this changes how you think about React architecture, then subscribe.